Hey guys, Daniel My Reviews here, and in this video I'm going to be unboxing another Christmas present that I got this year in 2020, the iPhone SE, second generation. So, I got my 6S right here, which is still a decent phone, but it's going to stop having updates in a little bit, and it's going to have its last minor update probably next year. And it is starting to slow down a little bit, not so bad, but it is turning off quite frequently. Well, not frequently, but you know, it could be like 60% and then all of a sudden turning off. I know that's a problem with the 6S. So I decided to go for the SE right here. So, again, a huge thanks to my mom for getting this for me this Christmas. So, we're gonna go unbox it now. So, of course, I have a screen protector and a case right here. So, we're gonna unbox this right now. Here we go. Alright, so here's the usual. And here's the phone right here. So as you can see, I got the product red one right here. We're gonna leave that there. We got the Apple earpods right here. Even though I have AirPods now, so I'll just use these as extra. I'll keep these. I'm actually gonna keep these in the package actually. Of course, we have Lightning to USB 3.0. I believe, what is this, the 5-watt charger? Ooh, yikes, it doesn't have the green dot on it. You know what, I'm not even going to use that one. I'm going to be using my 12-watt adapter that I got with my iPad Pro. Of course, Apple has all its goodies in here. The Apple stickers, I'll use those, I'm sure. Product red. Oh, I'm keeping that for sure. So here's the phone. Let's go ahead and unwrap it. Look at that. I love that red finishing at the back. This footage isn't going to be the greatest. Sorry about that, but whoops. Alright. There it is. Now we're going to turn it on for the first time now. Why is it not turning on? Alright, let's see if this works. Okay. Oh, the battery is low, that's why. Alright. So I'll have to wait for this to turn on. Okay, so it's out of battery, but first let's take a look at this beautiful product red color. Wow. Alright, the phone just turned on. So I'm transferring stuff from this phone, from my 6S to my SE. I'm going to do the software update now, iOS 14.3. Now it says another minute for transferring data. Alright, so my iPhone SE is all set up now. So I transferred everything from my iPhone 6S to this. In a couple of weeks, maybe, or in about a week, I'm going to do a review on this. This is a 1080p 60 test. Anyways, hope you enjoyed this video. That's it. See you guys.